Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Let's start today's English class. In the previous class, we started the chapter Conjunctions. We first studied the definition of conjunctions. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a joining word, right? A word that joins two words, two phrases, or two sentences, right? So the joining words are known as conjunctions. Now in 5th standard, as I said, you have studied all the conjunctions individually, right? In 6th standard, that is as per your textbook, you are going to study two types of conjunctions, right? First, you have studied correlative conjunctions in the previous class. As I said, there are two types, right? So, correlative conjunctions. So, some conjunctions are used in pairs. They are known as correlative conjunctions. In pairs means both the conjunctions go together. Both, and, either, or, neither, nor, right? So, all this you have studied, though, yet. Okay, the two words which are used over here, they are separate. Either, or, both, and, neither, nor. They are different, right? But still they are used together in a sentence, not as one, but together, right? The words which you have to be joined, you are used before it, isn't it? So correlative conjunctions, they are the ones that we use in pairs, right? Now you are going to study the next type, compound conjunctions. Okay, so you can, page number 90, underline, we use many compound expressions as conjunctions. They are called compound conjunctions. Now, a word is used over here. You may be saying everywhere compound is used. What is the meaning of compound? Right? What do you mean by compound? So, dear students, compound means two words. What does it mean? Two words that are combined. That are combined and a new word is made. Okay? So I hope you understand what is the meaning of compound expressions. Two words, they are separate, but you combine them and make one word. So they are compound expressions which are using as conjunctions. Okay? So they are known as compound conjunctions. Clear? Now let us see the compound words which are used as conjunctions. See, as well as. If you notice, as well as, aren't they different words? You use as in a sentence also, right? You use well also in a sentence. But when these three are combined together and made a new word. So, as well as, right? Now, let us see what is the meaning of as well as. Now, in the previous class, you have studied pairs. दोनों अलग ही थे, लेकिन दोनों को साथ में यूज करना है. Now you are using compound conjunction means ये एक ही word है, ये दो नहीं है, ये एक ही word है which you are going to use. Okay? So what is the meaning of as well as? Let us see from the example. Rick as well as Gaurav was present there. As well as means दोनों साथ में present थे. Okay? So when you are including both, right, at that time, you have to use compound conjunction. Okay, so you are going to use as well as. You can even say, Rahul as well as my brother went for a picnic. Give me a pen as well as, give me a book as well as the pen. मतलब दोनों साथ में दो, ऐसा, राइट? सो when you're including both, you have to use as well as compound conjunction. Clear? Next, as soon as, jitna jaldi ho sake. You know what is the meaning of soon, right? So as soon as means jitna jaldi ho sake. He took off his coat as soon as he entered the house. Jaldi, right? So जैसे ही घर में आया कोट उतार दिया. Maybe he might be feeling hot, right? So as soon as, okay, as soon as मतलब, okay, even you can say come here as soon as possible. जितना जल्दी हो सके आ जाओ. This is one meaning of it. The next meaning is जैसे ही, right? Here as it is used. Next, as if. See, if is also different, as is also different. But when you combine as if, what is the meaning? Let us learn through an example. He looks as if he were very, as if ऐसा लगता है. Okay, he looks as if he is ill. Okay, if I say he looks as if he is ill, it means ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे वो बीमार है. As if, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे वो बीमार है. Okay, so that is the meaning of as if. He looks as if he were very. Okay, next. Okay, let me give you one more example. He looks as if he is stressed out. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि उसको बहुत स्ट्रेस है. Okay, so that is how you can use as if. Now let's go to the other one. In order that. The notice was published in order that all might know the facts. What is the meaning of this sentence? Notice क्यों publish हुई? ताकि सबको पता लगे. ताकि, what I use? ताकि सबको पता लगे. Okay, in order that. Okay. The notice was published means some information was supposed to be passed, okay, and the notice they have published. उन्होंने notice भेजी. For what? So all might know the facts, so that, see, you can, so that, we even use so that ना, क्यों ऐसा किया? So that all might know the facts, right? So in order that also means so that. Okay, why was it done? In order that, then you give the reason. Clear? Next, on condition that. On condition over here we mean, even when we talk, we just say na ek shart pe. On condition that. Okay, I will let you sit in the exam on condition that you come early tomorrow. If you promise that you come early tomorrow, I'll let you sit in the exam, right? So on condition that, I will forgive you on condition that you don't repeat the offense. Okay, I will forgive you only if you promise me not to repeat the mistake again, right? So on condition that, it means ek shart pe, right? I will do this only if you follow this, right? So on condition is same as that. Clear? Next, even if. Such an act would not be kind even if it were just. Okay, let me give you an easy example. I will not let you enter the class even if you complete the book now. Okay. It means the book was supposed to be completed before, you haven't completed. So now what the teacher might be saying, I will not let you enter the class, भले ही book अभी complete कर लो, I will not let you enter the class. Even if, right? भले ये कर लो लेकिन ये तो होना ही नहीं है, ऐसा. Okay? So even if. Next, provided that. You can borrow the book provided that you return it soon. So this is the same as on condition. Okay? अगर जल्दी रिटर्न करोगे तो ही मैं बुक दूंगा. अगेन इट्स अ कंडीशन. यू कैन बोरो द बुक प्रोवाइडेड दैट यू रिटर्न इट सून. मतलब अगर जल्दी रिटर्न करोगे तो ही मैं बुक दूंगी, ऐसा. ओके, So again, provided that is same like on condition that. Okay. As though. He walks as though he is slightly lame. As though is also, it means looks like. Okay. वो ऐसे चल रहा है जैसे वो lame है. Lame means the people who are not able to walk. Okay. So वो ऐसे चल रहा है जैसे he is not able to walk. So as though also means looks like. Okay. As if. As though also means as if. Okay. Next. In as much as. Now this meaning is already given here. In view of the fact that. See, I must refuse your request in as much as I believe it is unreasonable. I am going to refuse your request. Why? Because I feel it is not reasonable. Okay, आपने जो reason दिया है, I don't feel it is applicable, it's valid, so I am not approving your request. Okay, so in as much as means in a view of the fact that. ये fact दिमाग में रखते हुए ही ऐसा है. You're getting it? I must refuse your request. मैं तुम्हारी request cancel कर रहा हूँ. क्यों? In as much as means ये ध्यान में रखते हुए कि ये reason it's unreasonable. Okay, ये नहीं हो सकता. It's not applicable. It's not valid. Understood? So these were the compound conjunctions that you can use while speaking. Okay, when you are joining the two sentences, keeping the meanings in mind. So I hope this is clear. Okay. So now see below you have an exercise. Let's do the exercise. So complete the sentences with suitable compound conjunctions. Choose from the box. Now it's not necessary you use all of them. Clear? Let's see the first one. Abhi gave the poor man a blanket dash he could keep himself warm. What did Abhi do? He gave a poor man a blanket. Why? So that he can keep himself warm. So what conjunction I used over here? So that. What I used over here? So that. Is it understood? Now I already explained you don't have so that in the explanation, but in order that is same as so that. I explained it before, right? So that. Next, you may go for a movie dash to study for an hour. Now what is been over here? Permission to watch a movie is given, but only if the स्टूडेंट और द चाइल्ड एग्रीज टू स्टडी फॉर एन आवर. अगर पढ़ोगे 1 घंटे तभी मूवी देखने की परमिशन मिलेगी. सो वी नो व्हाट डू वी यूज फॉर दैट. अगर इफ यू से यू कैन यूज ऑन कंडीशन दैट और प्रोवाइडेड दैट. ओके, ऑन कंडीशन दैट. व्हाट डज इट मीन? अगर पढ़ोगे 1 घंटे तो ही मूवी देखने जा सकते हो. ऑन कंडीशन दैट. क्लियर? और प्रोवाइडेड दैट यू स्टडी फॉर एन आवर. दोनों में से कोई भी यूज कर सकते हो बिकॉज इट इज सेम एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर. ना डैश द मदर केम होम द चाइल्ड स्टॉप्ड क्राइंग. मतलब मम्मी घर पे पहुंचा और बच्चे ने रोना स्टॉप कर दिया. सो जैसे ही मम्मी घर पहुंचे, राइट? सो आई नो एज आई सेड, जैसे ही जब हम यूज़ करते हैं व्हाट वी यूज, यस, एज सून एज. ओके, द मदर केम होम द चाइल्ड स्टॉप्ड क्राइंग. Mother dash daughter is ill. Ab mom and the daughter both are ill. So when we know that we use both, what do we use? As well as. What do we use? As well as, when we are including both. Okay. Next, dash she realized her mistake, she corrected it. जैसे ही उसने अपने मिस्टेक रियलाइज की, शी करेक्टेड हर मिस्टेक. सो वी नो अगेन आई यूज जैसे ही. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज ओवर हियर? अगेन यू विल यूज एज सून एज. ओके, एंड यू कैन यूज ट्वाइस, सो डोंट वरी. ओके, नेक्स्ट, दिस वॉज अ गुड डिसीजन डैश इट वर्कड फॉर यू. ओके, दिस वॉज अ गुड डिसीजन. It was a good decision. Why? As it worked for you. So, as it worked for you, it is a good decision. So, which one you are going to use? In a view of the fact that it means in as much as. in as much as. Okay. Next, he looked at me dash I had done it. He looked at me. Okay, जैसे okay, he looked at me why as if मैंने वो mistake किया है, right? So I myself used the conjunction what? He looked at me as if I had done it. It means वो मुझे ऐसे देख रहा है जैसे मैंने किया है वो, right? Next, I will love you dash you do not love me. Okay, भले ही तुम करो ना करो, I will love you. So that what is the you can use conjunction even if. Okay, even if, it means even if you don't love me. Okay, you say to your brothers and sisters, na? Okay, I will talk to you even if you don't talk to me. You say it to your friends also, right? So even if will come over here. So here we completed with the exercise on page number 90, and here we complete even the chapter. Okay, you can cross check the answers of both the exercise A and B with the PDF which is going to be sent to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, see you soon with the next video.